8 ways to make money from crypto. I'm always on the lookout for the best strategies for making money online, and whenever I find a strategy that actually works, I share it with you. A lot of people have dabbled in cryptocurrency lately, but the fall in the market following China's decisions had dampened their enthusiasm. In this video, I'll cover 8 ways to make money with cryptocurrency, regardless of the market state. Some are completely passive while others take a little bit of work and skill, but there are enough of them that you can choose one or those that are right for you. However, for each of them, the gains are equal to the investment, whether in time or money. Let's dig in. And before we get started, let us know what cryptocurrency you are the most familiar with in the comments below. Hit the like button, sub button, bell button. Number 1, buy and hold. The most common way to make money with cryptocurrency is to invest and hold the crypto for the long term. This is called HODL. In cryptocurrency vocabulary, similar to what investors do in the stock market, you can invest in certain cryptocurrencies and hold them until the price is above your original purchase price, then sell them and make a profit. To buy and sell cryptocurrencies, there are a few platforms that specialize in cryptocurrency like Binance, Coinbase, Bitpanda, CoinHouse, Kraken, and a lot more others. This is usually the best way to invest for the medium to long term. Be careful though, the risk is very high and these assets are very volatile. You would therefore need to invest only part of your capital, taking the risk profile into account. These applications allow you to buy or sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, and Aave. Transaction fees are variable, but generally around 1%. Note that low capital outflow fees are sometimes applied. It is therefore important to carefully compare the different cryptocurrency platforms before opening an account. Also beware of the cryptos you buy. Before buying, do extensive research on the currency's viability and its long-term implications in the market. Here are some questions you should ask yourself before investing in crypto. How long has this crypto been around? What are its uses, its history, and resilience in the market? I advise you to restrict yourself to cryptos which have real use in the world and which have been around some time. However, you don't have to limit yourself on the most well-known cryptos. There are thousands in mid and low cap altcoins that have incredible price variations and can earn you a fortune from them. As I repeat, for your online business, you don't have to depend on just one source. Spread the risk by investing in multiple cryptos at the same time. Expand your wallet with a variety of cryptocurrencies that each have a different use: security, privacy, social network token, and so on. Don't just rely on the best known cryptos if you want to make a profit. 2, earn dividends in crypto. As I said in the intro, you can also earn dividends, interest on your investments, and that is 100% passive. The principle is that some cryptocurrencies pay dividends of up to 6%. Not bad when you know that the live rat A is at 0.5% and the PEL is at 0.7%, compared to the 2 to 3% interest paid by your bank. If you invest in life insurance or otherwise, most cryptos offer you a return that's at least 3 times greater. Investing in these cryptocurrencies will earn you more money than if you leave your money in the bank. 3, day trading. Day trading is the best way to make a lot of money with crypto. Unlike the HODL strategy, day trading involves holding a crypto asset for a short period of time and then selling it when its value increases. This period can vary from a few minutes to a few hours or even several days depending on the crypto. To be successful in day trading, you have to constantly keep an eye on the changing market. This requires strong analytical skills and very technical knowledge of the market. If you are a complete beginner in cryptocurrency, I strongly advise against day trading. But if you have experience in traditional stock markets, trading in the day is the same thing that it can be in the stock market, and it's very lucrative. A warning though, if you are looking to get rich quick and do nothing, day trading is not for you. If you have no experience, this would be more of a plan to get poor quickly than anything else. Number 4, staking. Proof of stake, POS, also known as staking, is one of the best ways to earn semi-passive income with cryptocurrencies. When you compare the cost of electricity and materials to the gains generated, you realize that mining is no longer really profitable. Also, I recommend stacking instead. So what is stacking? Simply put, stacking is an alternative method to validating and recording blockchain transactions. In a proof of stake system, token holders are placed their tokens in a wallet connected to the blockchain. These tokens are then used to validate transactions and how to create new blocks. How to make money from stacking. Stacking works the same way as a fixed deposit account. Jump there rather than collecting interest. Like in the case of fixed deposit account, you earn additional tokens as a reward board as a validator of transactions in the blockchain. However, stacking is not available for all cryptocurrencies. It's only possible with those based on a proof of stacking system. Beside a few, Cardano, Algorand, Cosmos, and Tesos. However, the more participates in a blockchain offering staking, the similar amount of the rewards. The main factor will define the amount you receive for stacking is in the downtime of your tokens. With stackings, you don't have to worry about utility bills and investing thousands of dollars in hardware like graphic cards that are needed to set up in a mining rig. All you need to do is make sure your wallet is still connected to the blockchain. Number 5, cryptocurrency arbitration. It's like drop shipping on eBay. But here we're going to apply the strategy to cryptocurrencies. First of all, what is arbitration? Arbitrage involves buying a product at a certain price on one platform and then selling it with a margin on another platform. You may have already noticed that the price is the same for crypto can vary from exchange. Arbitrage will allow you to take advantage of this difference. For example, if you buy a crypto token on a cheaper exchange, transfer it to another wallet, and then sell it to another exchange for a higher price. Be careful, this is not a beginner strategy. Far from it. You need to be extremely quick in executing trades to ensure high profit margins. There are several software programs that can help you quickly spot these arbitrage opportunities. For example, Sigmax, Ethereum, and etc. Number 6, mining. I might as well tell you right away, you need capital. Normally, this is not the kind of strategy I talk about in my videos because I prefer to present you with business opportunities without a budget or with a minimum investment. But hey, when we talk about cryptocurrencies, we can hardly miss mining. Mining is one of the oldest ways to earn passive income from cryptocurrencies. Like stacking, it's processing and verifying and then adding transactions to the blockchain. Cryptocurrency miners need specialized equipment in order to effectively accomplish these tasks. Every time a transaction is made, a cryptocurrency miner is responsible for ensuring the authenticity of the transaction, updating the blockchain. Unlike a centralized system where the single person or company is responsible for monetary control, anyone can become a miner. You just need to invest in equipment, configure it, install it, and let it run. However, setting up a mining-based business doesn't come cheap. Along with the high-end equipment you need, you will also have to deal with utility bills that can approach the monthly rent of an apartment. 7, airdrops. Airdrops are probably the easiest way to earn crypto. No skills, no materials are needed. You just need to complete small tasks online and you'll be paid in cryptocurrency. Let me explain. Tasks are actually videos to watch and then you answer the questions. The only investment is your time. Of course, the airdrops are not accessible at will. They're distributed by blockchain companies, so you need to be abreast upon the opportunities. But on Coinbase, it's posted in bulk on the site as soon as an opportunity becomes available to you. 8, write articles on cryptocurrencies. I'm digging out a pure cryptocurrency a bit, but it's pretty easy to make money while staying on the topic. If you have some experience in the crypto world and have a knack for writing, this may be the best way for you to make money with cryptocurrency. With crypto craze, crypto blogs and websites have exploded into the thousands, and most are looking for copywriters who are skilled at writing for cryptocurrencies, the market, and so on. You can earn from $30 to $300 per article, depending on the number of words and level of expertise. As long as you write one article per week for 5 blogs, so on per article a day, you can earn an average of $3,000 a month. There you have it. If you choose one of these 8 ways to earn from cryptocurrency, depending on your skills, your capital, and the amount of time you devote to it, as you can see, each method has its pros and cons. Some are riskier than others, while others offer lesser but safer earning possibilities. It is up to you which one meets your personal needs. Try a few and reach out to me in the comments to tell me a bit about how it's going for you. This wraps up today's video. I hope it helps improve your knowledge. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Take care of your pockets and your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next one.